Luau 2024.
Kumusta po? Familiar faces, good evening po sa lahat. Good evening po.
Ang ganda naman talaga, Krista. Sasali ka ba dun sa pa-contest ng FCA?
Definitely, why not? Diba?
Diba? Oh, diba? Tapos, may pipili sila tonight ng best Hawaiian.
Yes, so mga kababayan, make sure you follow around or because we have secret judges.
Correct.
In my PUs will be choosing 3 finalists for the male and female best in Hawaiian attire.
Yes, kaya show up your attires. Yung mga nag-effort dyan, we will see you later on.
Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta sila? Kumusta?
Hello po!
Is everyone starting to have a good time? Yes.
Kuya Ron, mga
Good mood pa. Okay. Now, by the way guys, what is luau?
Sinong nakakalam po?
Ano yung luau?
Tita, what
Google.
is your
Ayan, nakapin ka kasi, kaya kita-kita ka dito.
Q&A?
What is luau, darling?
O sige, I think pinaghandaan ni Ron.
Well, it says here